So hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn binary search. Okay, so this is the problem number 704 from LeetCode. Okay, the problem name is binary search and the problem statement is a given an array of integer numbers which is sorted in ascending order. Okay, and an integer target. Write a function to search target in a number. If target exists, then return its index, otherwise return -1. You must write an algorithm 0 log and runtime complexity. Okay, so like if you have number of numbers in list like that, okay, and target equals to 9, so we need to find this target in this numbers. Okay, this is the target and this is the numbers, so I need to find out this target in this list in which index this target located. Okay, so here output equals to 4, explanation 9 exit in a number and its index is 4. Second example, this is the number in list and target equals to 2. So output equals to -1, 2 doesn't exist in a number, so return -1. Okay, I think you got it. So here this is the class and this is the function. Okay, so and here you can see self and numbers and target. This is the input parameter, and this is the argument from search function. Okay, so after that I need to define left right equals to 0, left comma right right equals to 0, and length equals to length and ems numbers -1. Here I am going to apply while loop. While left is less than equals to right. Okay, so while left is less than equals to right, I need to define mid equals to left plus right divided by 2. Okay, here I need to apply if condition. If numbers middle number equals to target equals to target, return mid. If numbers mid is less than target, left equals to mid plus 1. Else right equals to mid -1. return -1. Here you can see, I think I need to run. Got error. What is error? Error. Error. Ah, I forget to put semicolons. Here also I have forget. Okay, so our test case is passed. Okay, so here you can see this is the class and this is the function, and these are the arguments, self, numbers, and this is for import and this is also for import because target we need to find in this list. Okay, so here left and right equals to 0 and length equals to length numbers -1. Okay, so left I mean left equals to 0 and right equals to length of numbers -1. Okay, so here you can see while in while loop, while left is less than right. Okay, while left is less than right, then you need to calculate mid equals to left plus right divided by 2. Okay, if number of mid, okay, equals to target, if mid number equals to target, then return mid. Okay, elif otherwise number mid is less than target. So if our number is less than from the target, then we need to find out it in left, so left equals to mid plus 1. Otherwise number is less than, I mean if number while left is less than equals to right, then we need to find this condition mid equals to left plus right divided by 2. If number mid number is greater equals to target, then we need to return mid. If number is less than target, if mid number is less than target, then we need to calculate left equals to mid plus 1, else right equals to mid -1 and return -1. Okay guys, I think you have got it, or I am going to give you dry run also. So here this is the number equals to 1 3 1 comma 3 comma 5 comma 7. Okay, so target equals to 5. I need to find out 5 in this numbers. Okay, so here is step 1, left equals to 0 and right equals to 3. Okay, left equals to 0 and right equals to 3. So here you can see 0 plus 3 divided by 2 equals to 1. Okay, so here 0 plus 3 divided by 2 equals to 1. So at index 1 from numbers, so we got 3. Here you can see at index 1 we have 3. So 3 is less than 5. If 3 is less than 5, then move right. Okay, move right, then left equals to 2. 3 is less than 5, so we can move here right. Okay, and left equals to 2, so here I increase the left equals to 2, left equals to 2 and right equals to 3. So 2 plus 3 divided by 2, we got 2. At 2 we have 5, so found target equals to I mean we found target and return index return 2. So this is our output. Index 2, we have 5 at index 2. Okay, I think you have got this solution. This is the class, this is the function. Left equals to 0, right equals to length number -1. By left is less than equals to right, mid left plus right divided by 2. If number mid equals to target, return mid. If number mid number is less than target, left plus mid, else left right equals to mid -1, otherwise return -1. I think guys you got it. Bye bye, take care. Please see you in another video. Bye bye, take care.